Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually transform the background of your video from this videos you're going to see to becoming this. Okay, in order not to talk too much, the difference between these two videos is just seen in the background. Okay, this very one has a blur effect, like the background was actually blur. Okay, and this one right here was just the way it is. So that's the difference between the two. So what we call this is blurring of the background. Okay, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually blur your video background. Okay, after you are done filming, editing, there is need for you to blur your background, especially if your background is not that catchy, or maybe you don't want people to actually see certain things that are going on in your background. Okay, now let's check these two videos when it was not blur versus when I blur the background, so you can actually understand what blurring effect does to a video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. Right here we do a lot of things. It's not just about content creation right here. Like, we're going to be diving into a lot of things. We're just new, so we're starting off with this journey just for us to kind of create balance of the kind of stuffs you will likely be seeing on the channel. So if you find what we do here interesting, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever I post any video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back today. Thank you for being amazing. So let's go right into today's video. So this was the before, that is before I applied the blur effect, the original background. So for this tutorial I'm using the inshot app, so we go straight to the inshot app, click open, and this is my already edited video. So I'm done with editing this video. So what am I supposed to do right now? I'm just gonna download this one first. So when you're done with editing your video, you download it. Okay, that is, you save it to your phone. All right, so when it gets to 100, it is saved. That's how inshot works. Now we're going to go back again, this time to blur the video. Remember, we saved the video first. So I'm going to go straight to stickers and I'm going to click details. So I'm choosing blur. Okay, I click on the mark button. So I'm going to extend this to get to the end part of the video. Okay, so you can see how it fits in. So I'm going to extend this very blur effect to get to the end part of this video clip. Okay, so it is set. So you can see how it is now. The video is entirely blur. You cannot even see my face. So I'm going to save it as well. That is, we've saved the first one and now the second one. We do this so that we don't make mistakes. Okay, so this is gonna count 1 to 100 and it is saved. Now back again, I'm gonna move back to inshot. I'm gonna go to new, click on it. So firstly, I'm gonna upload the blur video, that is the one I blurred, and save. Okay, so that's the first video I'm gonna upload. Then I'm gonna go to pipe and pipe on the first, that is the main video without blur effect. So you can see how it is. The blur is behind the one that is not blurred. Okay, so I'm gonna make it to fit the screen, that is extend it to fit the screen, so you can see this now. So I'm actually gonna, but before we go to that, you can see that this video, the effect is not actually working. So the only way it's gonna work is when you go to cut out, click on it, and it's gonna count out. So it's gonna count from 1 to 100 before the video can come out with a blur background. So let's have a preview of this. So you can see while I was playing this video that my hand is kind of showing, you can see shadows around there. So it happens because the video is still processing. The cutout right here is still in process. So when it gets to 100, you're not going to see that again. Okay, so it is going. Now you can see that it is now set. The hand there is still there. Okay, it is not up to 100 yet. We keep counting. Now we get to 100 and we have this video. So this is what we have at the end of the day, and you can see that it is actually given. So the next time you film and edit, try adding blur to your background, like use the blur effect for your video and see how it's gonna turn up. So this is what we got at the end of the day, so we save it. What do you think about blur effect? Tell me about it in the comment section. And if this video actually gave you what you're looking for, you can actually give this video a thumb up, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to stay safe. See you soon on our next video, and bye for now.